Hello world. Picture this. It's still dark outside, the world is quiet, and you're lacing up your shoes for an adventure most travelers sleep through. That's how our Cathedral Cove journey began. A sunrise mission to beat the crowds and experience New Zealand's most iconic coastal gem in pure tranquility. Cathedral Cove is an absolute must-visit on the Coromandel Peninsula, especially if you love epic coastal scenery and adventure. It is often praised as the prime destination because of its unique natural rock archway connecting two pristine white sand beaches with turquoise waters. The stunning landscape is perfect for photography and a moment of peace and quiet. It was even featured in the Chronicles of Narnia.
Where do you suppose we are?
Well, where do you think?
I don't remember any ruins in Narnia.
Cathedral Cove is about a 2-hour and 20-minute drive from Auckland Airport. When we arrived on the North Island, we started our adventure going south to see the Wairama Glowworm Caves and the Orake Koroko Park. Then we headed back up to Tauranga near Cathedral Cove and stayed the night. The drive was absolutely beautiful. It was scenic, and no wonder travelers vote this as their top road trip destinations. Make sure to get an international license ahead of time at a AAA office. Keep in mind you will have to learn how to adjust different driving sides, not only from the car but on the road as well, especially if you're from the States. Also, there are many roundabouts, but I feel like that's something you can quickly get a hang of once you go through a few of them. Other than that, enjoy the ride. Other ways you can reach the Cathedral Cove is by boat, kayak, or you can even book a water taxi that takes only 10 minutes from Hahai Beach. If you're planning to drive and park, there is free parking available at the Hahai Visitor Car Park on Pa Road. You can either walk from there or take a 5-minute shuttle that costs $7 New Zealand to the track entrance on Grange Road. If you're planning to stay in the area and start your hike early in the morning like us at 4:30, don't forget headlamps. We are starting our hike to the Cathedral Cove. And it's so dark. It was very dark, almost pitch black, so a headlamp is a must. We got ours from Amazon, and this has been a lifesaver for many of my crazy adventures. We stayed here at the Tatahi Lodge and started our hike from there. The track distance is 2.5 kilometers one way. From the lodge to the cove, it took us approximately 45 minutes if you're not stopping at any viewpoints. It's about a 25-minute walk to the cove from the drop-off point if you're taking the shuttle, so make sure you wear comfortable, sturdy shoes. The air was crisp and the only sounds were waves crashing and birds slowly waking up. The Cathedral Cove is famous for its natural rock archway, but nothing compares to seeing it reveal itself in the golden light of sunrise. Trust us, the early start is so worth it. We watched the skies shift from deep blue to fiery orange, with the entire beach completely empty, no tour groups, just us and the sound of ocean echoing through the arch. If you want that magical crowd-free shot, aim to arrive by 5:30 in the morning. Not only do you get the best lighting for photos, but you'll also have time to soak up the peaceful vibe before the first wave of visitors arrives. Exploring the cove in silence, we felt like we had stumbled onto a secret paradise. The marine reserve here is stunning. Crystal clear water, dramatic cliffs, and a sense of untouched beauty you rarely find at such a popular spot. Always check the DOC website for current conditions, so expect sudden closure due to weather. Bring a large Ziploc bag for your trash. You may not have signal, so download maps and info in advance. Be sure to check the tide times before visiting. Low tide is ideal for walking through the archway and exploring the beaches. Low tides aren't always in the morning, so check the tide charts. Another great tip, don't drop your phone on the beach.
Oh my god, you drop your phone! Look, you don't even know. Smiling.
Watch the moment we realized we lost it. By the time we hiked back, we started to see some people coming in. We couldn't help but smile, knowing we'd experienced Cathedral Cove at its absolute best. Just us, nature, and the sunrise.
See a phone down there?
Yeah, it's down there.
Alright, good looking out. You know about where?
Ask the company, but right up here. I think he's talking to them.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Oh my god, my heart is... My heart is...
Thank you. Appreciate it. Us too.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You guys have a good one. Yeah, right there. Thanks. Need help? Need help? You got good knees still. Can't believe this guy. Pause.
Make sure Cathedral Cove is on your list. You'll thank yourself later for setting that early alarm clock.